Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best blind repair kit is probably one of the most underrated tools for any homeowner. Window blinds, while stylish, are prone to wear and tear. From snapped cords to misaligned slats, these issues can be frustrating and costly to fix. But what if you could handle these problems yourself? In this video, we'll dive into the world of blind repair kits, showing you how to save money and keep your blinds looking their best. Number 5. by.RHO Screen Repair Tape, Black, 2x 15 feet. Tired of dealing with torn screens? This tape offers a quick and easy fix. No tools or special skills are needed, anyone can complete the repair in minutes. Your health is important, and this tape is designed with that in mind. It's made with non-toxic materials, ensuring a safe and worry-free solution for your home. This tape is built to last. The 3-layer adhesive provides superior strength, so your screen repairs will withstand daily use and various weather conditions. Whether it's windows, doors, or even tents, this tape has you covered. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, adapting to all your screen repair needs. Rain or shine, this tape is built to last. Made in Korea, it offers exceptional craftsmanship and reliability, ensuring your repairs stay intact over time. What we like. This tape offers quick and easy repairs, perfect for those who need a fast solution. With its strong adhesive and weatherproof design, it's built to last in various conditions. If you have screen tears and need a durable, easy-to-apply fix, you should consider this. What people say. It holds up well against extreme heat and heavy rain and is a super easy solution to fixing damaged areas of screen. The adhesive layer has been upgraded to withstand the test of time. No more worrying about your patch job peeling off after a week. It's here to stay, folks. It's waterproof, my friend. Your repaired screen won't turn into a soggy mess. It's like giving your window a raincoat. Number 4. IMPRESA Vertical Blind Repair Tabs, 50 PCS. Tired of dealing with broken blinds? These repair tabs offer a tool-free solution to fix them quickly. It's perfect for restoring the functionality of your sliding door blinds. These tabs feature a pre-applied, ultra-sticky adhesive. This ensures a solid bond for your vertical blinds. The peel and stick application makes fixing blinds swift and easy. The clear design of these tabs makes them compatible with all colors and textures. They blend seamlessly with your decor while providing an efficient solution for your blinds. The kit includes 50 tabs and 2 alcohol wipes for thorough cleaning. This ensures lasting repairs for your blinds. It's ideal for fixing broken plastic blinds. These adhesive tabs are suitable for various settings, like bedrooms and patios. They are easy to spot clean and come in standard packaging. Use them to fix your blinds when they break. What we like. This kit provides an easy solution for damaged vertical blinds, making repairs tool-free. The strong adhesive ensures a solid bond, and the universal design works with any color. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to fix your vertical blinds without replacing them, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit had everything I needed to fix my blinds. The repair was easy to do. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. Number 3. 65004 Pleated Shade Repair Kit. This repair kit is designed for pleated shades. It is made in the United States. This kit is perfect for fixing your shades. The part number for this kit is 650,004. You can easily identify it with this number. Make sure it matches your needs. The package weighs only 0.3 pounds. It's lightweight and easy to handle. You won't have any trouble with its weight. The package dimensions are 9.25 inches in length, 6.25 inches in width, and 1.5 inches in height. It's compact and easy to store. You can keep it in a small space. This product is proudly made in the United States. You can trust its quality and durability. It is a reliable choice for your repairs. What we like. This pleated shade repair kit is made in United States. It is easy to use and durable. If you like the products made in United States, you should consider this. What people say. This kit worked great. The kit comes with enough parts to fix a few. I followed the instructions and got the broken shade repaired. Number 2. BlindDIY Clear Mini Blind Slat Repair Kit. Tired of looking at those broken blinds? This kit offers a simple solution. It's designed to quickly fix your mini blinds, saving you time and money. This kit includes clear repair tabs, both with and without string holes. They are virtually invisible, blending seamlessly with your existing blinds. You can fix your blinds in 30 seconds or less. It's an effortless way to restore your blinds to their original condition. Replacing entire blinds can be expensive. This repair kit is a much cheaper alternative. It's a cost-effective way to get your security deposit back. This product is assembled in America. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this repair kit. It's a reliable solution for your broken blinds. What we like. This kit offers a cheaper alternative to replacing entire blinds, saving you money. It provides an effortless way to fix your mini blinds quickly. If you want to save money and fix your blinds in a snap, you should consider this. What people say. It's easy to apply and it's been about 2 weeks and it's still holding. Exactly what I needed. I have the flimsy plastic blinds and 3 of them snapped on the ends. The pieces with the hole for the rope was perfect. Easy to use. Remove backing and slip right on blind, poof. Fixed. Number 1. Vertical Blind Repair Tabs Kit. This kit includes 60 pieces of vertical blind repair tabs. You'll have plenty to fix all the blinds in your home. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution. These replacement panels are made of high-quality PVC material. We've tested them extensively, and they are built to last. You can count on them for long-term use. The clear blind fixer tabs have strong adhesive. You won't have to worry about them coming off easily. They provide a secure and reliable hold. The clear design of these repair tabs makes them suitable for all colors of vertical blinds. They won't cover up the original color, so your blinds will look as good as new. Using these tabs is simple. Just peel off the protective film and apply them to the blinds that need repair. For a stronger hold, you can stick them on both sides. What we like. This kit provides a large quantity of repair tabs, ensuring you have enough for all your blinds. Made with sturdy material and strong adhesive, it offers a reliable fix. If you have many vertical blinds to repair, you should consider this. What people say. The clear tabs are easy to snap in, and they fit perfectly with my existing blinds. Installation was quick and simple, and now my blinds look and function like new again. This is a translucent heavy stick-on that fits around a vertical blind oval hole perfectly. Very strong peel-off adhesive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.